everyone. No. Hi everyone, I'm Takusan Mashu, everybody's favorite Takusan, and I'm here to ruin your day. This is just a test recording, but I figured I'd do my intro just in case, because you never know. Anyway, I'm testing out my new capture card to see if I can record my Nintendo Switch games. I'm not gonna play Mario Kart because that'll take too long. But I'm gonna play this. I don't know what this is. It's called Catlord. Oh, that's a little loud in my ears. Hold on, let me turn it down. Anyway, I have not a clue. No idea what this game is. But it's on my Switch. So I'm gonna try it. Sorry, I was adjusting my socks. Oh, I like the music. It's cute. I like the music. I like the pixel graphics. I like cats. What's not to like? Oh. Okay, reticle. What are my options? Can I change my cat? I guess I can't afford anything, so no! Upgrades? I can't afford anything, so no! Okay, let's just get 12,000 points on the first map to unlock. Okay, I will. I don't know how to play. Press B to jump and stop on your enemies. Okay, that's good to know. It's still a little loud in my ears. I'm turn down a little bit. Yeah, just I hear. Oh, is it like a bullet hell? I think it is. Jump, shoot, shield. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. Do I aim like this? No, I think it's an auto aim. Maybe. Not sure. Do I stomp on people? I think I do. Ow, ow, ow. I think I'm dying. I think you can only jump so many times. Oh, there's a shield. Okay. Oh, okay, cool. There's like a little gemmers I should be picking up, I think. Is that my health down there? There! Ow. Ow, I'm dying. Oh, I'm dying. Lord have mercy, I'm dying. Oh, I like this music though. I really like this music. Okay, the shield uses my... I'm gonna call it mana because it's blue. Oh, there's a snake! I'm gonna die. I'm dying. I'm dying. I'm running away. I'm running away from my life! Stomp on the chimkin. Oh gosh, I'm gonna die. I'm dead. I had 4 health left. I was knocked out. How many points did I get? Is that this? I died. Can I get upgrades now? Oh, doesn't really tell you what they are. Oh, you can. Increase stamina regen by 1. I'll take some health. I can't afford it. Oh, it's 250. This reticle is a little like... It's a weird mix between sensitive and insensitive. Increase ball spawn. I can't afford anything, I don't think. Oh, I can, actually, a little bit. Interesting. It's a cute little, like, bullet hell. I'll do that. Back into the fray. Press the shield to activate the Purr shield. You need to have at least 10 mana. Good to know. Good to know. I don't have any mana. I'm assuming blue is mana, because, you know, that's pretty standard in video games. So is the red stuff health, or is it points? I love this music. Ow. Interesting, interesting. Okay, okay, okay. We're learning. We're learning. Stomp on the chimkins. Ow. Hey, the shield doesn't do anything. Ow, ow, ow. I can't stomp anymore. I need to like pick up more of the things. Oh my gosh, a baby chicken. I don't want to kill the baby chicken. Stomp, stomp. Can I regain health? Are there... No, okay. Oh my gosh, another cat. That sounds... Oh no, I ran out of stomps. I ran out of stomps. Ow. There's so many. There's so many. Oh, I think the yellow is my stamina. And that what makes me so I can jump. Okay, we're learning! I'm gonna die. Is that health? Is that health? It was health! Oh my gosh, there's so many. Stompy stomps. Oh, I ran out of stomps. I ran out of stomps. Well, that was fun. Am I done? I think I'm done. That was a nice little test. We know it's working. I can record on my Switch! Yay! I only have like these kind of like little games. I have a couple of these. I don't know what they are. If you are interested in me going and looking at what weird little games that I have, then let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I have Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, Pokken Tournament DX, and The Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. For Tears of the Kingdom, I'm considering streaming it on Twitch, if my internet can handle that, because I need people to hold me accountable so that I don't get distracted, because open world games, I tend to get very like distracted and I can't stay on track, and then it'll take me 20 years to beat the game. So if I can get it working on Twitch, if my internet can handle it, then we'll see if I can stream it. Otherwise, I might just record it because I do want to play it. It's fun. It's a fun game. I like Legend of Zelda, the whole series, including Breath of the Wild and Tears of the Kingdom. So let me know which of those you would be interested in seeing me play, or none of them. If you want to let me know that too, I'll take all the comments, I guess. Or if you want to see me continue this, I don't really know what more there is to this. I only played it like for 5 minutes, I think. So let me know. Anyway, as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, have fun, don't die, stay safe, love you!